This would be the first time you'll be happy watching the price of XRP drop. Drop like crazy. Why? Because the SI family was anticipating this move from the top. Yeah, the daily confirmed the negative divergence, the 3-day confirmed the negative divergence, and I followed it up side by side. Yeah, giving you guys, if you're like me, I'm looking at 1.8. If you're optimistic, yeah. But if you're looking at a conservative scenario, you're looking at 2.45. We followed it up every single day with the weekly candle close. What the hell was happening? How you can take benefit. Now you go back in time, look at what we were seeing at the top, close to $3.3. We were kind of giving you as a negative divergence confirmed. Then next is 3-day, then next is weekly. Did we follow it up? Yeah, we followed each and everything in XRP. This is that. Now think about the exact opposite when we were making the bottom back in 2022. Yeah, we were calling out the bottom. Now we were calling out the top. Ionic. What next? How can you take benefit of the next big move in the crypto market? Welcome to the scientific investor family, where the normal retail guys get to learn how to become the next top 10% of this world. It was very hard to be on that aisle saying, guys, take profit. I'm taking profits here. I'm taking profits here. I'm taking profits here. And our average is still somewhere close like 3.1 or something, which is good. 3.3539 was the local top, which we made, which kind of gives you a clarity that, oh, yeah, that's kind of 5-10% close to the local highs. What the hell do you really need? If you didn't take any profits, you are scared now. I know. But that is exactly why the SI family, 1,500 members, were well informed. Over the weekend, the Saturday, the Sunday, I was here following it up with market analysis videos. You see, 24 hours before the weekly close, 48 hours before the weekly close. We were doing that. One was detailed 32 minutes long video giving you guys all the basics, and then followed it up exactly the next day. Now, does the market show you we achieved all of those? This is the trouble when you say people will not listen. But at least I'm happy those in the SI family is different. The majority understood this was a huge decision to make. A week back, when we were still be there, I was highlighting, be careful, guys. This makes more sense. Yeah? Huge decision. Don't regret. Saying the quiet part loud. But again, the majority does not like it. Think about this. It had almost 5,000 views here. It had almost 4,000 views here. How many of you really took the profits out? Now, if you took the profits out, your biggest question right now is, okay, Danny, thanks for that. Perfect. Now, what should I do? Yeah? I don't know what you're going to do, but I'll say what I am going to do. Yeah, just like the bottom, just like at the top, I'll say what I am going to think. My thought process is, first look at the big Baba. Yeah? The Bitcoin Baba. Now, what exactly is happening? This is your macro trend line. Now, that means you have a lot of room to the downside. Ooh, cool. You're not anywhere close to the bottom. Fine. That means alts will have more downside. Now, you want to confirm it? You go up, bring in the Bitcoin dominance. This is exactly why I was saying I really don't want to hype things up. But if Bitcoin drops and the Bitcoin dominance go up, you will watch bombing, boom, boom, boom in the altcoin market. That is exactly why I was saying, guys, take your profits, your capital out, your profits out, 100% profit, 200% profit, 300% profit. And I'm really happy some of you did that and sent me the portfolio saying, Dan, I hit $1 million. I'm taking it out. Boom, I'm really happy that you guys did. Even in yesterday's one-on-one session, while we were going through, the price was here. And I was saying to that guy, you only took 15, but consider taking at least another 10. Now, think about it. It's just been another 7 hours and the price has dropped close to 30% from there. So I hope you guys did it, just like the SI family. Now, let's look at the macro and think, what can be that next leg? I'm optimistic. I know the market is in fear right now. Look at the greed and fear index, yeah? Now, why would I bring that in here? Oh, because the fear is creeping back in, guys. Remember, when it was at the greedy portion, I was saying it was greed, extremely greedy. Now what? Just yesterday it was greed. Now it's fear. Wow. 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 Yeah? So if you are looking to buy back, ooh, you're happy. You're really happy. Now, should you be buying back right now? Hold it off, guys. Let's wait for a confirmation. Let's not just speculate. Let's really wait for a confirmation. Now, I'll do all of those analysis and post in the SI family. But as I was saying, we rode this cycle to the upside and I need a huge break. You see, at 33, I have a lot of white hairs now. But I'm so happy that I earned it. That this time around, no slapping from the market. I was able to help you guys take that profit to the outside. And I'm excited, honestly, that a lot of you guys took the capital out. 100% profit, 200% profit, 300% profit. I'm really happy. So, yeah, I need a month break. But yeah, I'm not doing that until we make the macro top. Maybe I'll take 2 days, 3 days off. But remember, it's already reaching the target I was saying that you can buy close to $1.8 to $2. Watch where the price is as we talk. That is panic, guys. That is panic. Greed takes some time. This is what I've been explaining over all the one-on-one sessions. Yeah. Greed will take some time to go into euphoria. But panic, as soon as it comes in, boom, it drops hard. Now you're watching it in front of you. Now go back to all those others who were saying, no, this is the fractals. It's going to go to the sky. Now what? This is why we were saying 85 to 90% odds that the price will drop. And this is exactly why we were doing the videos again and again and again, saying, don't misunderstand, guys. The hidden dangers of ignoring this in XRP. What was that? It is in front of you all those days. If you did take profits, I like that, guys. I like that because we are among the top 10% in the crypto right now. 90% didn't take profit, but you guys did. And I'm so excited, guys. I'm so excited. Why? Because you will be buying back this asset, which I strongly believe in, which I strongly trust in, 50% lower. Now, what does that mean? Just a retest to the upside and you're like 100% up. Now, why? Let's keep all the excitement aside and look at the weekly and see logical move. From the local top to the negative divergence confirmation on the weekly, how big was that? Ooh, that was 54% drop. Oh, yeah, that was big. Now let's plot that 54% to the downside, 1.55. Ooh. What happened just after that? The price went back up 100%. Okay. That means if the price action is to do the same history, you're going to get almost one more chance to take your profits some way close to the all-time highs. Not the perfect mark, but some way still close to it of this cycle, and not the 2020, 2017 cycle. But look at this. The thought process shared in front of you, the 1.8 to $2, it's here. It just came in front of you. Yeah, 1.77. Ooh, that's Binance, one of the biggest exchanges out there. And you're watching what? Money pouring in. Now, should I buy in now? Oh, I want to. But no, I'll wait for the confirmation. Just like I decided I'm selling based on a daily divergence, based on a 3-day divergence, based on the weekly divergence, I'll act in the same way. Now, you have multiple supports to look at. If you pick the wicks, it would look like this. If you pick the daily candle close, it would look like this. Yes, you're getting very close to that range, and a lot of people said you are stupid. You lost your sense of the market. You are not considering the news. And I was honestly saying this in almost all the video. I understand all of that, but I really don't understand who the hell is selling. But I know one thing. That's the big guys, smart money selling. So it's ideal that me being a stupid follow what the smart money is going to do. And that's exactly what we did. Now the price is like 40% down. Let's measure it from the top, guys. I mean, oh, I'm happy to be looking at this and saying I'm going to buy back here 50% lower. It took me this long to buy the XRPs I had. And as I took 40% out, ooh, I'm going to scale back in, guys. Because at the top, I was like 15x. The average still would be around 12x when I took the profits. So even if I just put my capital back, it's going to be a happy time. Now, think about your side. Were you 12x, were you 15, 20x, or were you 5x, 7x, 8x? Because I remember shouting out individually to, now, very few people who have been with me for like 4 or 5 years saying, brother, do this, sister, do this. I think this is the right thing to do. I hope all of you did it to the same magnitude that I wanted to. If you did, you're extremely happy right now, looking at this asset saying, whoa, Danny, we are going to buy back way more XRP. If I had a million XRP, I'm going to double it. If I had 500, I'm going to hit that million XRP mark. Yeah, we are all excited. But think about what the majority is in right now. This is why I say, don't go behind the hype, guys. It's in fear. The majority is in fear when you're thinking greed. You're thinking about buying it back. The majority is in fear. I welcome all of you who really want to learn and abide by into the SI family. The link is in the description below if you want to use it. But believe me, when the market goes back up, we are going to ride it. And just like all the charts you saw, we're going to do that. We're going to do that. Yeah? This drop in XRP is making a statement. Yeah? Think about that. Think about that. So we did all of that while taking the heat and not moving a nickel. Why? Because I strongly believed in it. Now, the retest is something which you have to eye. On a 3-day chart, you just reach this. If the 3-day candle just closes there, oh, it's going to be bad. You come down to 1.5. But when it closes, if it abide by this support, I'm happy. I'm happy. This guy's going to go make another high, just like Bitcoin did like this. Now, it may not be what we really wanted, but it can still be something better than which you already saw in the market. And if you didn't take profits, you'll have to now do that accordingly. But again, the SI family was in the top 10. If you didn't take profit, it's going to be really hard to listen to this. Honestly, you can jump out now. But if you did, you're so happy that you said, yeah, I'm stupid, but I don't think this time it's different. I know a lot of people who said, Danny, this time it's different. I told you, I don't think so. I don't want to go against the market. If the market says it's going to happen like this, I just go with that, man. I'm not that smart. I'll say I'm not smarter than the history, But all those slaps which the market gave me, I remember that very much. 2017 was the biggest slap which the market gave me. 2021 was tiny, but still I got slapped. I only took my capital out, not bigger than that. But this time, all of you knew I was telling you I'm not doing that mistake again. That's why on a weekly chart, when you put a horizontal line, this is what you see. The all-time high is $3. You put in a line chart, you know what I'm talking. And our profit-taking average is there. Oh, I'm happy, man. Oh, I'm happy. Now, when the price come back down, hit the support, be there in this family so that you know where we are buying. You know what we are buying, because not all assets have negative divergence. I did the extremely detailed digest this time. Now, one was pending or two was pending. I combined all of them, made sure you guys know this. This was like last month, yeah, a few days back, before the price started dropping. So if you did receive that and put it inside, you already have your portfolio looking green and healthy to buy back in. But don't just hurry up, guys. Believe me, don't just hurry up. Wait for the market to give you the confirmation that, yeah, guys, I'm about to bounce back. Wait for the whales to buy in. You may miss the exact bottom. Who cares? Who cares? What's important here is the confirmation. Yeah, it's already building hidden bullish divergence on the daily. I like it. I like it. Yeah, I like the view of it. Why? Because we are waiting outside with the dry powder. Yeah, the hidden bullish divergence is extending. But I want you to understand, until it confirms, nothing is in concrete. So, if you want to take part in all that comes ahead of this, be a part of this, the SI family, creating the next top 10%. For the next cycle, it's going to be top 1%. For at least those who took that 10%, those who became that top 10%, they're going to ride it to the top 1%. Those who already became top 1%. Believe me, guys, you're going to ride it to 0.01%. But I want to highlight one thing. If you took that amount of profits out and you are extremely happy and wealthy now, and a lot of others around you are struggling, especially if you're in Canada, look at that. I mean, trade war, crushing the CAD. I know a lot of people were struggling, a lot of people finding it hard to buy food. Don't go too big donating, but do something. The God, the Almighty, He sees that. You don't close the eyes on that. I don't know what your beliefs are, but I do believe that. We are here in this state for a reason. You have to do that. If that tree does not bear fruit, the God is going to cut it down. So now the tree is grown, the fruit is there. You know what I meant. May the God bless you guys. I'll meet you guys on the next video. Oh yeah, smash that like button for me, huh? Bye for now.